Good evening, judges. Welcome to the third and final part of CodeMark CLI. Actually, we have to make the third part to display the Plag reports and the IPFS storage, which we thought might not be suitable to integrate in the for initial two videos. So, what CodeMark? How we integrate flag report is like whenever we try to get any let's get any assignment. So say I will get CS101 B1 underscore 1. So it will download an assignment for me. So I will cd into that directory CS101. Sorry, B1. Yeah, tab completion will also work. So what I will do is I will edit the code for that. So so uh, when may ask like why we do need flag report and all. So I will question that whenever we write something, it's obvious that some other student might copy the same code and integrate that in the other code. I may copy my friend's code and just change the name of the variable, and voila, I'm ready to do something. So what I'm going to do is I will write a simple program that will print a name of a value of a variable. Here it is 12. So I will simply do is I will print that. So yeah, so it should work. Let me check. It works. So I will write gcc main.c minus flag main. So yeah, it compiles. So I will run main. Sorry, sorry, my mistake. So yeah, so it's showing 12. So what I will do is submit the code. So I will write CodeMark submit. I can do the same in VS Code also. So I will write CodeMark submit and then enter, and then it will check the code match failed, although it will still submit. So yeah, so I was the first submitter to that assignment, so that means that flag report won't be generated for me, but let me again submit that. Let's say I will change the name of the variable to T. Notice the fact that I can submit same code twice, so repeated assignments are allowed. So let me demonstrate that too quickly. So I will submit that. Uh, so see, that's showing 100%. 100% simply means that you can't simply escape by changing the variable name, and yeah, the flag check will be foolish enough to escape that. Also notice that if I change the name of function or anything, include any more header file or add any comment, then also the flag check won't be affected by those rules. However, let me demonstrate that it's not always 100%. Like I write some random data in there. So yeah, I will run again submit. So it will generate flag report. Yeah, you can see like it's 40.48%. So that's the flag part. Flag part we are using implementing using selective FNV hashing algorithm that is implemented by one of our team member Vansh Khare. He has designed all the algorithm. He actually improved the algorithm, optimized and improved the algorithm a bit. All the hash are stored in the cloud so that matching are done easily, like fast and easy. Next we have next thing I want to discuss is IPFS-based storage. Like everything every submission we do generates a report that is sent to an Web3 storage that we can download. I can run CodeMark result. We'll do it in the terminal itself. Let me clear the screen first. CodeMark result. Sorry. Uh, what I will do is CodeMark plus submitted. CodeMark list submitted. So it will show the list of submitted assignment, nothing new. So what I have is an assignment ID. So I will just simply copy that. Notice that every part of it is stored in cloud or decentralized server. Nothing is done locally or something, or just foolish way to do that. It would be too foolish of that to do that. So yeah, I can type CodeMark result and then the submission ID. So I just simply print that. Now what it will do is fetch that code from me from the server. So like it will generate a code like this, like name of the assignment ID, title of the code, batch ID, description, what was the due date, professor ID, subject ID, how many test cases passed, how much was the test cases, what was the flag report. Notice that it is -1. -1 is not a valid number, but if we check the info, like it's included in the file itself, it says flag percent is equal to -1, means the user is the first submitted to the assignment. Nothing new. So let me quickly demonstrate that it is actually stored in like Web3 storage. For that I will just simply tinker with a little bit of code, like I will just print the CID. 1 second, hold on a second. Yeah, so I will open this in VS Code, uh, submit. Yeah, so here we can see that we have CID. Like I will just simply print the CID, so that we will use to check, like fetch the storage from the storage. So I will again run CodeMark submit, like we have written that modification submit. So we'll just for that only CodeMark submit. The only modification we have done to the code is printing the CID. CID shouldn't be printed for obvious reason, it will be too verbose for us, but to prove that we are using Web3 storage and all, so I'm getting the CID. So I'll simply copy the CID, open a browser, and enter dot. Let me check if I remember. Hold on a second. Yeah. So I will copy this link. Yeah. So what it will simply do is, like every piece of code is stored publicly on cloud. So cloud, I mean like decentralized storage. So I can fetch it and like, yeah. So what you say is like not like text file in normal text file. We are using converting it to hexadecimal and then fetching it. So let me do it hexadecimal to text, like something googling and all. So yeah. So I entered the code and start converting. So you can see that it's the same thing which we are using, like same text but stored in hexadecimal format. We are using hexadecimal format to avoid compatibility issues, and like nothing breaks our system and all due to some new symbols and all. Notice that we haven't used encryption, but because that wasn't required at this moment in time. Like if I want, I can share the link to some student, and like they can access without login or and something, like sharing the codes and everything. So that's all. So in this video I have shown you that we have implemented the Plag report done by Vansh from our team, as well as the IPFS storage part, Web3 storage and all, which was beautifully implemented by Manan from the same team. So that's all from my side. So this is Praveen signing off. Thank you.